Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have a domain and hosting. Now act. First, decide whether you'll use a hosted provider like Google Workspace or run mail on your host. Next, sign into your registrar or DNS provider. Make sure you can edit MX and TXT records. Create the email account in your chosen provider or in cPanel's email accounts. Once done, note the SMTP, IMAP, and MX settings. You'll need them to point mail delivery to the right server. Now configure DNS so mail actually arrives. Replace existing MX records with the provider's hosts and priorities. Make sure TTLs are reasonable, like 3,600 seconds. Add an SBF TXT record authorizing your sending IPs, then enable DKIM signing and publish its public key as another TXT. Create a DMARC policy to monitor or enforce. If you host SMTP yourself, set up TLS. Configure mailbox quotas and ensure reverse PTR matches your mail host name. Otherwise, messages may be marked spam. Finish by connecting the site to mail. In your CMS or form plugin, switch from PHP Mail to SMTP or the provider's API. Enter the SMTP host, port 587, username and password, and enable TLS. Send test messages to multiple providers and inspect headers to confirm SBF, DKIM, and DMARC pass. If mail fails, check DNS propagation, confirm MX and TXT records are correct, and ask your host about outbound port blocking. That single blocked port often stops delivery, so fix it first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.